Hey you, have you ever wanted someone but to keep you company while you're a computer? Well, say no more. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys a little bit of my app. So when you start the app, you'll be seeing someone, in this case her. You can click and hold to drag her around. You can use your mouse, scroll, or your arrow keys to increase or decrease her size. She also scrolls on her phone. Well, but if it happens that you don't like her style, you can change that. So you come here and you can pick whatever character you want, like this, and she'll be here, and she'll be here. The fun thing is that you can also have multiple characters. You can create or add a new avatar, like this. So now we have 2 avatars. You can add more if you want, like so. So now we have 3 avatars. Okay, so now this is where things get interesting, because we can actually talk with each one of them. So we can talk with her, and her.
Oh, hey.
And so, for example, if we say, hey, how is it going? She should respond.
Ooh, look who's trying to act all casual now. You know you can't resist my fabulous charm, right? Seriously though, Tizuki thinks she can steal your attention just because she's dramatic. As if that's ever going to work. You know I'm the one who really stands out here.
So as you can see, there's a bit of rivalry between Haruna and Tizuki because they have like different personalities. It is not only me that can interact with them, but they can also interact with themselves. So they develop their own relationship. So if we go here and then we crank this up, we can make them talk with themselves. So for example, if I go say now, hey Haruna, you should chill out a bit.
Chill out? As if! I can't help it if I'm just a little more fabulous than everyone else. Besides, someone has to keep things exciting around here. You wouldn't want it any other way, would you? Just admit it. You love my energy.
And then they are interacting with each other, so Tizuki will respond to Haruna.
Oh, please, Haruna. You think you're the star of the show. We both know I'm the one who truly keeps things interesting. Besides, don't act like you're not just a little bit jealous of all the attention I get from Fernando.
It's too much winning. We can't take it
And now
anymore.
Haruna is answering Tizuki.
Jealous? Me? Hardly.
They will keep going forever because they
Oh,
are
please.
total yappers.
Drama's just my style.
Okay, now so let's say that you didn't like the voice of Tizuki. You can also change that. You can go here and in avatar, and you can go here. And there's a whole catalog of voices you can use. So you can use a voice in a bunch of languages. And you can also preview them. For example, this.
I think that Itadori guy is... well, I think he's kind of weird.
Or this one.
You really have a lot of nerve walking into my domain like this, little mortal.
You can also change their personality as well, so you can just come here and go in avatar, and you can choose which one you want to change. I will change from dreamy, and you can put whatever thing you want. So for example, extrovert, yeah. And she will speak in Gen Z language.
I mean, who wouldn't enjoy the entertainment? It's like they put on a show just for us. But as long as they don't take it too far, I'm all here for the drama.
So another important thing is that we have the local mode and we have the cloud mode. So the cloud mode, everything runs on the cloud. So the text generation and the voice generation, everything is on the cloud. So it is great if you have a weak PC that doesn't run quite well heavy stuff, so this works pretty nice. And for the local version, everything runs on your machine. So from the text generation to the voice, to the memory and the message history, everything is on your machine and doesn't leave it. Personally, I use the cloud mode because my machine can't run the text and the voice generation fast enough. So I'll go for the cloud mode because it gives me a very fast response and with a great quality. Everything in the cloud mode is already set up, so you can just install and just use right away. And as for the local mode, you have to install your providers. So there's Oyama, LM Studio, OpenAI, OpenRouter, and Google AI Studio. You can choose the models available. You can also choose the voice itself, so you can use Kokoro or Pocket TTS. You can also have Fish Audio if you want, but it is a bring your key. On Pocket TTS, you can actually clone a voice, so it is really nice if you want to clone a voice of someone. Well, and of course, there's a bunch of more stuff that you can use, but if I talk about it, I will be sitting here explaining all day, so I'll leave it to you to explore it. Alright, and finally we have a really cool feature as well. We can feed our companions. So you can see here that we have a stats bar. It has love, thirst, energy, and hunger. And for the love, we have two ways to increase it. You can either head pet it and it will increase slowly, but if you say a lot of good things to her, it will go up. As for the thirst, energy, and hunger have consumables. So you have a sandwich, cake, apple, and drinks as well. So you can pick one and you can give to her. And if you want to add more immersion to your experience, you can toggle this on, and this basically makes the character speak on their own. So if you make them eat, they will talk to you. When you open up the app, they will greet you, and when you are quiet for some time, they will talk to you as well. Like this. So she ate the burger and Haruna will complain about it.
Really? A burger for Tuzuki? It's like you're just trying to make her feel special or something. You know I could totally handle that burger way better than she could. It's my turn to be the center of attention.
So yeah, that is the app. It is free on Steam, so you can just download it and enjoy it. I am constantly bringing new updates, so you should stay tuned to see what happens next, and you should also subscribe. Who knows? And if you have any questions or suggestions to me to add to my app, AikoMate, you can comment down below. So that's it. Thanks for watching.